Okay, hi first graders. Today we're going to do a dictation on our CK, which makes the K sound. Remember, we see CK at the end of a word or a syllable after a short vowel. All right, follow along as I do the words. Ready? Back, B, A, K, back, B, A, K, back. Rewrite the word. Back. Number 2, neck, neck, n, e, k, neck, n, e, k, neck. Number 3, block, block, b, a, k, block, b, a, k, block, block. Number 4, slick, 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 slick. Okay, number 5 is a two-syllable word. The word is backlash, backlash. The first syllable is back, b-a-k, b-a-k, back. The second syllable is lash, ash, ash, backlash. Rewrite the word, backlash. Okay, let's read through the words we wrote today. Ready? Back, neck, block, slick, backlash.